Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Igor Yaranga and Vincent Moret. This is a game from Rapid tournament played in France in 2002. Igor Yaranga had white pieces and he started with e4. Vincent Moret played c5, the Sicilian defense. Knight to f3, d6, d4, c takes on d4, knight takes on d4, knight to f6, knight to c3, g6, the dragon variation of the Sicilian defense. And now f3, going for the Yugoslav attack. Bishop to g7, bishop to c4, knight to c6, bishop to e3, black castle kingside, queen to d2, all the standard moves. Bishop to d7, bishop to b3, queen to a5, and Igor Yaranga castled queenside. Rook from f to c8, h4, the standard plane. Knight to e5, white to move, king to b1 is the most played move in this position. Igor Yaranga played g4, black to move. This is very interesting moment of the game. Knight to c4 is kind of a standard move, and then white usually takes on c4, and then rook takes on c4. In this game, play with the black pieces played. Rook to c4. It's a rapid game, and play with the white pieces smiled, because black did the moves in the wrong order. He knew the knight should go to c4 first. Bishop takes rook, knight takes on c4, forking the queen and the bishop. Player with the white pieces was not too thrilled to lose his dark square bishop, so he decided to exchange queens. Knight to b3, but black liked his queen. Queen to b4, queen to e2, black to move. What would you do in this position if you had black pieces? Player with the black pieces played this awesome move. Knight takes on b2, knight takes bishop on e3. Was expected. King takes knight. What was the point behind the knight sacrifice? Please pause and find the best move for black. What did you find? Player with the black pieces played knight takes on e4. Bishop to d4, the best move. If f takes on e4, one line goes like this. Queen takes on c3 check. King to a3. Queen to b2 check. King to b4. a5. Knight can't take the pawn. King to c4. b5 check. King to d3, and there is checkmate in one. And the move is queen to c3 checkmate. Back to our game. We have bishop to d4. Black to move. How would you continue now? Knight takes on c3 was played, attacking the queen. White to move. Queen takes pawn on e7. That's the best move. If bishop takes on c3, bishop takes on c3 check, and after king to b1, queen to a3, threatening checkmate. And how to defend? Let's play a random move for white. Queen to e6. How do you like this random move? Then queen to b2 checkmate. Back to our game. Queen takes pawn on e7 was played. Black to move. What would you do? Black played a move. And white? What happened to white? White lost on time. This is check. White lost on time. Let's go back to that critical moment of the game. At move 13, rook to c4 was played. Very weird move. And this weird move caused white lots of trouble. You can imagine how it is to play against Tal. Most of his moves are weird. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.